Genesis chapter 1, verse 3. God said, "We're going to need some light." And the sun rose. Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. This Inktober, I'm illustrating the book of Genesis, one verse per day, along with my own paraphrased version of the written text. Disclaimer: these illustrations and words are my own artistic interpretation and are not intended to replace legitimate Bible translations. Today's illustration is quick and simple. Bright sky, waves in the ocean, done. Only took a few minutes to get the texture of the water done right. That's my rendition of Let There Be Light. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day.